Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make the project IR remote control stopwatch. So let us see the components required. We need a breadboard, an Arduino Uno board, a TSOP1738 IR receiver, an IR remote and some connecting wires. So let us do the connections. So first of all, we will place the TSOP on the breadboard. So as we know, this is the output pin, the middle is the ground pin, and on the right side we have the VCC pin. So we will connect the output pin to pin number 11. The ground pin to the ground pin of the Arduino, and the VCC pin to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino. So our connection is done. So when I will press the remote, according to the button received by the IR receiver, the timer will start, stop and reset. So let us do the coding now. Hello everyone, now we will discuss the code. So first, as you can see, we have to include the IR remote library. To download the IR remote library, we will have to click on sketch, then include library and then manage libraries. So after some time, the manage library library window will pop up. As you can see, the library manager pop-up window has opened. It will take some time to update. Once it is updated, on the search bar we have to type IR remote. And we have to download the IR remote and the IR remote control libraries. Mainly the IR remote library we have to download. So you have to click on this install option, select version and then click on install. And IR remote same, you have to click on the install option. So once you have downloaded, again you click on sketch, click on include library and you will be able to see the IR remote here. Then after that you can write #include IR remote.h. This will include the library. Then we have given define IR pin 11. This is to declare that the TSOP output pin is connected to the Arduino 11, which we will consider as name as IR pin. Then this is the button code for start, and this is the button code for stop, and this is the button code for reset. Then we have two more variables. One is start time, that will store the start time of the timer, and the other is the elapse, that will store the time passed. And lastly, another boolean variable running, which will be used to start and stop the stopwatch. Here false means stop and true means run. Inside the void setup, we have given serial.begin 9600 to initialize the serial communication with the baud rate of 9600. Then we have given IR receiver.begin to initialize the IR receiver, and then we have print this message on the serial monitor. Now in the void loop, first we will check that if any command is received or not, and if it is received, then it will be stored in the command variable and displayed in the serial monitor in the hexa format. And then if the button start is received, that means if the received code is 1, then we will check whether the stopwatch is not running, and then we will start the stopwatch and store the start time so that it resumes from where it has paused. Similarly, if the stop command is received, we will check if the stopwatch is running or not, and then stop the stopwatch and calculate the elapsed time. And lastly, if the reset button is command is received, we will stop the stopwatch, set the start time to 0, and then ir receiver.resume. This will This will make the TSOP ready for the next command. And to display the stopwatch time, first we will check if it is running or not, and then we will calculate the time passed and call the print time function to display the elapsed time. Now outside the void loop function, we have created one more function, void print time, with an argument millisecond. This function is to print the time in second and millisecond format. So here we have two variables, second, that will convert the time from millisecond to second, and another one that is millisecond, and then we will print this in the serial monitor. So this is all about the code. Once your code is done, click on tools, select the board, Arduino Uno, select the required COM port, and then click on upload. Your code will be uploaded to your Arduino board.
Now we will check the output. So here this is the start button, stop button, and the reset button. So as you can see on the screen, it's showing 0 0. So now I will press the start button. You can see the timer has started. You can see the timer has started, and now when I will press the stop button, the timer has stopped. And if I click on the reset button, the timer has reset. The timer is set to be 0 0. Even if I press the start button, the timer starts. And by pressing the stop button, the time has stopped. Thank you.